It only takes one spark to cause a wildfire. In 2020, over 40,000 fires scorched 7 million acres in the United States, including homes and businesses. If you are told to evacuate, then do so immediately. And know your wildfire evacuation zones. Wildfire tip to strengthen your home. Use fire-resistant materials and create a fire-resistant zone of at least 30 to 100 feet from your home. Don't wait for an emergency. Plan for an emergency. Focus USA reminds you of these 3 steps for emergency preparedness. Step 1. Make your family emergency plan. Know how to reach your family. And know your community's evacuation plans and shelter locations. Make sure you have adequate homeowners or renters insurance. Step 2. Build or buy a family emergency kit. Include everything you'll need for up to 3 days for each person in your family. Make sure you pack a go bag with essential items if you need to evacuate quickly. Step 3. Stay informed. Sign up for your local emergency alert apps. And stay tuned to your local stations and smartphone apps. To learn more and support our work, visit focus-usa.org.